You will see the subsutra Yavadunam, tavaduni, kritya, vargacha, yojayet. The meaning of this is whatever the deficiency, lessen by that much amount and set up the square of the deficiency. Now what do we mean by this long sentence? That we will see directly through an example. So here we want to find the square of 8. Now first step is whatever the deficiency. Now deficiency from what? The deficiency from the nearest base. Now the nearest base to 8 is 10. So what we do is subtract 8 from 10. So what we get is 2. Now whatever the deficiency, lessen by that much amount. So from this number 8 we subtract 2. What we get is 6. So here 6 will come on the left hand side. Now second step is set up the square of the deficiency. So the deficiency is 2. The square of 2 we have 4. So your final answer is going to be 64. Okay, so the steps are what? First find the nearest base, check the deficiency. So 8 is 2 less than 10. Then subtract that 2 from the same number. So 8 minus 2 is 6. That is your part, left hand side part. And then whatever was the deficiency, take the square of it, and that is your right hand side part. Okay. So let's see the second example. 92 square. The nearest base to 92 is 100. Okay. So now the answer is 8. That is deficiency is 8. So what we'll do? Subtract this 8 from 92. What we get is 84. So 84 will be your left hand side part, and on the right side what you get is this deficiency square. So 8 square. So 84, and here you have 64. So the final answer is 8464. Now remember, when your base is 10 you have one digit over here. When your base is 100, you should have 2 digits. If there is single digit, you have to add a 0 before. Now let's take this example. For this, the base is 1000. So we have 1000 minus 994. So what we get is 6. So we make 994 minus 6 on the left hand side and 6 square on the right hand side. So here we'll get 8, 8, 9 and 6 square is 36. Now base is 1000, so we add a 0 over here. Okay, so your final answer is 988036. Fine. So now we'll see the last one. So for the last one, the base is 10,000. So we have 10,000 minus 9995. So what we get is 5. Okay. So here what we do is 9995 minus 5 will be on the left side, and on the right side we will have 5 square. Okay. So the right side will be 9990, and on the left side you have 25, but because the base is 10,000, we'll add 2 more zeros over here. Fine. So the final answer is 99900025.